The pussy just wink at me. Do it again, let me see. Pussy wet like macaroni.
I don't like when you compare them things to food, you know.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tariq Vlogs, aka The Reaction Bus. Back in with another video for you guys. Now today we have Shade Misfits Before You Enter Knock Knock official music video. Understand me? I really don't know what to expect, but y'all remember like Shade Misfits, he came with this song on the Double Palm Ready I think, if I'm not wrong. You understand me? It was going crazy as hell. You understand? Text sound thing. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's get straight to this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Tariq Vlogs. It's gonna be right here. Click it, go follow me, get me to 10k followers on the gram. We're not gonna talk about the disappearance, you understand me? Just leave a like. I'm gonna see what I want for the video right now. So let's run some tune, right? Run tune. Hold on. Hey.
Don't rush the brush. I tell you, don't rush the brush.
Don't rush the brush. Don't rush the brush. What am I talking about? See nails and everything I go. What going on? Let's see.
On your cunt, me a knock it and a knock it and a knock it. Knock it. Knock it and a knock it and a. On your cunt, me a knock it and a knock it and a knock it.
Pan what? And what is knocking what? What? Am I the only one hearing what? Go on.
Knock it and a knock it and a. On your cunt, me a knock it and a knock it and a knock it. Yeah. Knock it and a knock it and a. Before you enter the pussy.
So I just say again. We like the vibe, but pretty green, the green Balenciagas. You understand me? Deaf. I know what Balenciaga them. What that? When I know, but when I look on the back and when I look on the cheek, go on.
Take me dick and knock on the clit like hello, what's up? Big up you, it's nice to meet you, big tatty punk cat.
Well, no, I'll make sure we hear this right.
Big up you, it's nice dick. Before you enter the pussy, you have to knock. Take me dick and knock on the clit like hello, what's up?
Knock on it like hello, what's up? What the hell is he talking about? Boy. Phones, pick up yourself. Go on.
Big up you, it's nice to meet you, big tatty punk cat. Before you enter the pussy. Body say hi to the pussy. No.
Yes, but hold on. He's having, you know, he's being respectful. He's gonna say hello, what's up? Before you enter, you gotta knock. Like, knock. But he just said big 30. Well, like this little transition right there. So, like, this scene is looking very, very beautiful, man. Very beautiful. Go on.
Hi to the pussy. Knock, knock. Don't be rude and enter like that. Big fat cock, me slap on the cat. Don't be rude and enter like that. Say,
understand me? I have little manners. Don't be rude and enter just like that. You have to knock first. You have to knock. Some of them man don't knock. Only not ask. Only just enter. You have to knock before you enter. And that, and that shit make you know. Go on.
Hi to the pussy. Knock, knock. Don't be rude and enter like that. Use me cock and tease kitty cat. Don't be rude and enter like. Knock on the pussy like the front door.
I want to look something right there, sir. This right there. You see when I'm using the laptop, yeah, you understand me have a different little vibes, you know. We see a little bit more. What is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? Go on.
Squeeze your breast like me making dough. Spit pon the pussy then knock it some more. Must do a little foreplay before. Knock pon the pussy like the front door. Squeeze.
And me alone see him a while ago. And a big man mates. And me alone see him a while ago. People. Let me talk to him the real. You see him a while ago, right? Hold on. That's why I like to use the laptop, you know. Watch a style, people. Watch a style.
Must do a little foreplay before. Knock.
Watch again, you know.
Spit on the pussy, then knock it some more.
That's the part they wrong. We not. Allah, know the part they right. What? Not with that. We're not talking about that. Go on, go on.
Must do all it.
What go? Let me make sure slow motion this one because I want to know what's going on right here. Oh my gosh. Let us see what go on. Go on.
The foreplay before, knock on the pussy like the front.
You have to understand, we'll just come back. Hold on, we get it right this time. See it a bomb. Go on now.
Run, bro.
I'm going so slow, bro. That part you want to see. Go on now. That I know what going on a while ago. We're not really comment on that too much again because we waste too much time right there, so we just want to see what did that happen. You understand that we're not going to talk about that now. Stop, look, man. Sure, go on.
Knock on the pussy like the front door. Squeeze your breast like we making dough. Spit on the pussy, then knock it some more. Must do a little foreplay before.
The steering wheel, I drive one bus and so 2 times. You see me I say? My mama that ramp put it. We have task about that again. I understand right now the mood change people. We rate it to a different level. You see me I say? Yeah. Go through. Just some fire emojis. You don't know chat. Run through.
Before you enter the pussy, you have to knock. Take me dick and knock on the clit like hello, what's up?
Okay, I'm be as descriptive of one be because of YouTube. But you see why I do the finger thing like him. Yeah, you know. You understand, right? So you should say understand what going on. Go on.
Big up you, it's nice to meet you, big tatty punk cat. Before you enter the pussy, on your count me a rock. Before you enter the pussy, on your.
And she's also wearing some heels. What I think what talk about the heels that she wear, people. I think I wasn't even gonna comment on her, like you know that right there. I was gonna comment on this, the handful.
Before you enter the pussy,
I was gonna comment on that, the handful when I'm having them on. You understand me? Until this scene will come next up, man. Watch your side.
On your count me a knock it and a knock it and a knock it. Knock it and a knock it and a. On your count me a knock it and a knock it and a knock it.
No, what's up? People hate us on the song. The song basically done. I think watching enough on the video at the backside.
The pussy just wink at me. Do it again, let me see. Pussy wet like macaroni.
I don't like when you compare them things to food, you know. Wet like macaroni. Wink. Like wink. Can it wink? Can it wink? I would love to know that. Anyways, go on. Enough of that chat. That completely outside. Go on.
Salad, it's so creamy. Me was skid on the wet highway. So how me?
Thanks. Go on.
We skip foreplay. Panty fly like Mayday. Before you fuck some girl, you fi pray. Before
You have to pray. You gotta pray. Respect that shit. That which is right. You have to because you don't know what them have, you don't know what you're gonna catch. You see me? Say after if you don't pray, now I'm gonna help you at all, boy, but you still have to pray. Go on.
before you enter the pussy, you have to knock. Take me dick and knock on the clit like hello, what's up?
You try to tell me say after I'm using finger and do what I'm doing, play same I do, and because I'm playing I'm here. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. But we're not talking about that again. But something wrong with you. People, watch a man of people. Watch him.
Take me dick and knock on the clit like hello, what's up?
Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Go on.
Big up you, it's nice to meet you. Big tatty punk cat. Before you enter the pussy.
She hit after drop. Big shit after drop. Bones Entertainment, because everybody has a message behind the works. But Jano people, what your thoughts on this? And drop it down below in the comment section. Thank you for checking out this video. Understand, we're really trying out a new way of recording this video. We'll see if it works. You understand me? I also said that this was a good song to try, you know, this with. As you can see, it's a little different set, but we'll soon talk about that in a different video. Try post a video for you tonight, so big up on yourself, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.